Good morning, students. Once again, I welcome you in class 7th English. Right? We all know that this is our second unit, and this is the last chapter of PA1, means periodic 1. This is the last chapter, and this is our second unit. The name of the unit, a people who inspiring us. And apart from this is our third chapter. The name of the chapter, the village school. So previously two video I informed you that how the girls faces the problems in the village, the mentality of the people in the village, right? Because they are thinking that this going to school is a wasting of the time, and especially the matter of the girls. In the bus, the young children work at the young age. They did not attend the school. The girls who had helped to their mother in household work. Apart from them, the three girls, Rubina, Tabassum and Tarannum, who got the education, who completed their school education, and they went outside of the village for further study. In that village, some of the children who never went outside of the village also, right? Their village is their whole world. Then they have to manage the plan. They had started the school. Previously, they are going to door and ask them to the students to come to the school and take education. Human Welfare Association, one NGO in Varanasi, help them and train them. After the beginning of the school, they are facing a lots of problems. They started the school in small public place, and after the 6 months, the students joined the school by them. It means after the 6 months, the students came into the school by alone. Previously, these girls dragged to the students into the school. They had to make the plan for the specially girls' school. They started one small tailoring center, and also said that in that school, in that training center, the girls enroll their name. When the girls entered into that school, they give them education. When the people knows about, it means the girls' parents know about that they are giving the education, so they also shouting on them, excuse them, we are sending our children, it means our girls, for tailoring, then why are you giving the education? So the girls also give the very nicely reply that in tailoring they need some measurement and calculation also, so that's why they need the basic education, so we are giving the basic education. After a year, right, at the first month, they have got 35 students, and after that, they are got 170 students admission. In 2007, in that village, 2 to 3 people who got the education, but in 2007, after nowadays, it means present day, 90% of the children, including the girls, who are go to the school. And the biggest achievement is what? Not only the girls and children are showing their interest into the school, but their mother also taking interest into the education, and they also started learning. Nowadays they are using signature name. Nowadays they are using their name as a signature instead of thumb impression. So student, you learn this thing is very basic and very thoroughly. I hope you understand this thing. This is our previous chapter 2 videos brief introduction. So student, this is, I give you the brief introduction of previous 2 lectures. Now this is the third part of this chapter. So here says that what? The girls inform, especially Tabassum says, but all this not easy. Whatever the achievement they were getting in previous 2 lectures, right? It was not easy for them because they faced the many challenges, right? What would the people do first of all? So first question, what would the people do? So the villagers, or it means the people of the village, would shout at them, at us. The Tabassum say at us. It means first of all they have to shout at them. And what did the people say to the girls? Not only shouted, they had humiliated the girls, and they are using the words that we were a bad influence on their girls. See that? It is the very worst word, because you are giving the support, you are providing them education, and the people says that you are a worst, you are a bad influence for our children. So it was very humiliating word. It was humiliating. we would go home and cry, right? They went to the home and they started crying, but it was our parents' support that kept us going. Because of their parent support, they kept them going. So, who helped the girls overcome hurt their feelings? So their parents support them, right? Their parents help them when they are overcome. Means the people hurt their feelings, so their parents support them. You can do your work. You are the best, my daughters. You can do, right? Ignore them. If we are listening them, we will not achieve our goal. We will not achieve our aim also. So ignore them. You have to listen from 1 year and outside from the second year. You will just listen, but don't take in your mind. These are their parents' motivating words. So here the question is, list out some of the challenges the girls faced. So first of all, they were shouting. It means the villagers shouted on them. Second, they said them what? It was a bad, means they were bad influence on their girls. Even also says what? There was even a time when the people of the village asked them to leave the public space for space where they ran their school. So in the public space they are running, they started the school. So people also said that you have to leave that space. So see that people shouting on them, said you are worst bad influence for their girls, and also said leave the public place. So, but they are not give up. They are not run away from their aim. What did they do? They started teaching from their own homes. So the girls started teaching their own homes, not in public place, but their own homes. They have to start the school because their parents motivated them. That's why they can do properly. It used to hurt us when the people said that we would not be able to do anything. See that the word humiliating is making you feeling ashamed, and bad influence means you are worst. It means you're having the power to make people behave badly, and to mock. That is later on the word. It means to satire. Mock means to satire. So first of all, the people said what? You would not be able to do anything just because we were girls. And it is our Indian mentalities in previous time, right? They are think what? We cannot do. The girls cannot do. The girls would not able to do anything, would not able to achieve anything because they were girls. Same here, same way, the people of this village also use the statement that you were girls, you are a girl, so you will not do anything, you will just try your work. But we have proved everyone wrong. But because of the girls' hard work, this trials hard work, they proved all them wrong. Today, the people who used to mock them are coming forward to support them as they see the positive change in the village. Right? To mock means I told you that satire. What was the positive change in the village? The question is, what was the positive change in the village? So the people of the village who used to mock them or satire them, they are coming forward to support them because they saw that positive change in their village. That's why they are supporting them. What can't girls give the people of the village even arrange for electricity so that the fans and lights would work in the school. So what did the villagers arrange in the school and why? So they had the villagers or the people of the village arranged for electricity. Why? Because the lights and fans would work into the school. One thing is right, but second thing is what? They can see the positive change in the village. That's why they arrange the schools. That's why they arrange the lights and fan into the school. Even says that we can't give the children's degree. Yes, the girls cannot give the degree. So why? What can't the girls give the children? So they can't give the degrees. So we give them a good education and help them to connect to good schools. They can't give the degrees, but they give good education. So with that good education, they can connect to good school. Said Tabassum. So why do the girls give the good education to children? So it will help to connect them to the good schools. the trio has managed to successful work with over 250 children so far, and they continue to get more admissions every year. Right? Along with teaching, the girls are now completing their college education. They are studying information technology. So how has trio managed the school? So every year they have to enroll more than 250 students, right? It was very successfully, and also says that they are getting continuously good admission in that school. With their teaching, they are also completing their college education, and they are studying information technology. So what are the girls studying? So they are studying information technology. And here the last message of the Tabassum, it concludes the Tabassum says that we would just like to say these to everyone. Please let your daughters and sons study. Don't leave the schools of your daughters and sons. You should. Please let your daughters and sons study and do whatever you can for your village, as people there need you, right? Or you send your daughters and son to the school, and also whenever your village need your help, that time you will help them, your village, right? Because if you will help to your village, they will supporting you also. So this is the message of the Tabassum. So student, here our third chapter or PA1 syllabus chapter is over. I hope you understand this chapter very thoroughly. Thank you.